Kapag signs of damage ka ba, yung shampoo o conditioner. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, nire-review natin Pantene Total Damage Care. Damage and splitting. Halimbawa, yung plancha, kulot ng buhok, ng buhok. Conditioner. Parehas naman nasa Pinas yun. Nabibili. Yung small size yung bote. Parehas. Yung malaki. Parehas yung nabibili sa sa mini stop na yun, Uncle John's. Yung available sa Uncle John's the convenience store. Yung meron ng conditioner ng Pantene, yung color pink. Yan ang amoy niya, yung conditioner. Ang bango, amoy, para siyang amoy yung hair fall control conditioner. Last year po siya. Last year. Since 2017. Maganda siyang magandang siyang buhok sa shampoo and conditioner. No, 4. Ito. Kapartner sa shampoo. Then, babasahin ng yan. Pantene Ultimate 10 Repair and Protect Conditioner. Pantene Pro-V Nutribenz Fonena or Rich Repairing Collection. Fills hair with Pro-V nutrients and help to lock in moisture down, working with your hair to leave it healthy looking and shiny. Restores hair strength against styling damage, prevent the formation of split ends, gives healthy looking shine and smoothness to hair. Yan siya. Ganing sa Australia yung conditioner. Yan. Ang sabi dito, made at Thailand, yung bote. Medyo maingay guys. Guys, mga pangit sa background, may sakyan yung gagawa sa medyo amay usok. Yung conditioner maganda siya buhok, nalagay sa ends, wag sa sa scalp kasi mga oily. And then yung mga nakakanambot niyang buhok, mga smooth and shiny hair ng buhok. And then ano siya, Pantene Hair Fall Control. Nabata ako since 2017. Nakita ko yung TV commercial ng Pantene, yung UV Rescue. Mabango sa buhok, mababong siyang buhok. Nang ginamit ko yung shampoo, yung hair fall control, papatibay yung buhok. And then magkaroon ng hair fall, weak and brittle. And then ito sabi up to 10 times less hair fall for stronger hair. And then Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo. Are you suffering from hair fall? Use Pantene shampoo with microprovitamin that penetrates up to the thickness crack in hair cuticle. Reduce hair fall by up to 10 times. Protects hair and protect hairs. Natural protein, bone structure from base to tip. Formula with microprovitamin. Mabaho sa buhok. Maganda siya. Pampatibay yung buhok ng ito. Ako rin makapal yung buhok. Kasi less hair fall. Yung ginamit ng shampoo, katapos na shampoo, mag-conditioner. Then, mabaho sa buhok. Then, parang ammonia, yung Pantene Pink, yung shampoo. Ammonia, amoy powdery product. Guys, ito si damage care. Amoy apple scent. And then amoy fruity roll.
Bakit?
Pretty colors. So guys, like and share, subscribe the channel, click notification bell. See you. Bye.